Hi, I'm Paul Guringelli, and whether you are checking emails, surfing the internet, or downloading a video online, chances are it is a Supermicro server that is making it happen. They are a growing leader in cloud computing, and they have some new innovations and technologies to talk about. Charles.
Hi, Paul.
I hear there's some new stuff going on here at Supermicro.
Yeah, this time we have another brand new innovation for best performance, minimal power consumption, and more capacity.
Can you show me what you got?
Yeah, sure.
All right, let's go. Let's check it out.
Good.
Now, how long have you guys been here?
We have been here for about 12 years.
12 years,
in
wow.
this location.
Yeah, and you're expanding to Taiwan.
Yeah, we have 1 million square feet facility in Taiwan.
Yeah, so Taiwan is going well. Right?
Yeah.
Charles, part of that newness that we were talking about includes your global outreach as well, right? You guys are really expanding.
But now the demand has been growing so quick, so consistently. We will introduce a new technology called Fat Twin for
what is
less
that?
power consumption, consume less power, much faster performance, much better performance per watt, much better cost, and much higher capacity.
Tell me about the cloud part of what you guys do.
Oh, you know, since 4 years ago, the Twin, the double-sided storage, and today's Fat Twin, all optimized for cloud technology, for cloud industry.
Consuming less power. I mean, that's a big deal for your company, for Supermicro.
Sure. First advantage, you help customer save their energy cost. And second, because the customer buy more product from you, so you grow your business. And number three, you help reduce the pollution, because less energy consumption. So you have less pollution for the earth, and that's a contribution to our common earth.
Charles, we had talked earlier, you had a bunch of new stuff to show me. I'm sensing it's behind us right here.
Yeah.
All right, show me what you got.
Yeah.
Come on, let's take a look.
This architecture we call micro cloud, which we created last year. The purpose is to provide even less power consumption, many nodes.
So micro really means high density.
High
right?
density.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Micro in space.
1 year ago, too, and this is the now. And Charles, this is a big deal for you guys.
For sure, very big deal for this year. This is the architecture we further improve in terms of power consumption.
So this is the now. This is the future. The future is now. With this is like hot off the press. You just developed this innovation.
Yeah, just ready for production last month.
And
we
what is
call
it?
BBP, Battery Backup Power Module, used to replace traditional UPS system.
Charles, thank you for the tour.
Thank you.
My head is spinning, and now I understand why your competitors are so jealous.
Thank you.
Chris Beekman is Enterprise Account Manager with Supermicro. And Chris, a lot of servers out there for customers to choose from. Obviously choosing Supermicro servers. Why is that happening? What are you hearing out there?
Some of the differences are, like you said, we have many choices. Ours are power efficient and simple to manage, and they scale wide and far when it comes to deploying analytic and cloud infrastructures. And one of the challenges are for businesses and our customers is how much they spend on power to run these things, and the less power that we can use to keep servers online, to deploy cloud infrastructures, it's going to be better for both the environment and for our customers' power bills. One of the least expensive days of owning a server is the day you buy it, and you've got a long-term power investment that you've got to pay along with the folks and staff that are going to manage those servers.
Nice.
We've taken a behind-the-scenes look at Supermicro's latest green computing solutions for data centers and cloud computing. Now let's step over to another Silicon Valley tech giant who's also a very strong partner of Supermicro's, providing the processing power inside their solutions.
Green computing is a topic that's been preeminent for Intel for the last several years. You know, just a few years ago, the data center industry was on track to consume a significant portion of the world's energy. And we got together with our partners like Supermicro and said, we have to innovate to continue to deliver the performance capabilities without continuing to grow those energy levels. Our most recent product introduction, the Xeon E5 microprocessor, has some of the best innovations we've ever delivered for energy efficiency. We've delivered more performance, kept the same power level, and also provided tools to enable customers to manage the power better. Now, this is a Xeon E5 wafer, and this is really the heart of it. This is where Intel This is our heritage, to be able to deliver the microprocessor technology. But it really is just a starting point. The technology that Intel delivers doesn't deliver business value unless our customers, people like Supermicro, innovate around them. And Supermicro has a strong track record of delivering innovation for energy efficiency. You know, this is interesting. The data center servers are really, really big, typically. And Supermicro innovated with this twin architecture. You can see there's 2 Xeon processors in this small device that allows customers to get a lot more compute power into the same physical space, and that helps them control the energy. Supermicro is a pioneer in this form factor. And then you can take a look at this. This is Supermicro's microcloud. Again, it's got a Xeon processor, a lot of performance built into this, but you could pack 8 of these into a size that's just 5 inches tall. And this form factor innovation, along with innovation around software to take advantage of Intel technology, really gives customers a chance to control their energy, lower their energy bill, and yet still deliver that compute capability that really delivers the value.
Cloud computing and data centers are all the rage lately, but Supermicro's Earth-friendly super servers are also deployed in major supercomputing clusters, such as Virginia Tech's Hokie Speed. Wu Feng, Associate Professor of Computer Science at Virginia Tech, designed Hokie Speed around Supermicro GPU super servers for their ideal balance between performance, power consumption, and price. Having a passion for sustainable computing similar to Supermicro's, Professor Feng established the Green500.org, which raises awareness of energy-efficient supercomputing with independent rankings of the 500 most green supercomputers in the world. The Green500 promotes using alternative metrics for total cost of ownership to ensure supercomputers only simulate climate change and not create it.
Well, as you can see, Supermicro is leading the way in green IT and cloud computing. In fact, their slogan sums it up perfectly. We power the cloud. If you want to find out more about the company, check out their website, supermicro.com.